Bada bing, bada boom, people, and we are back. Another week, another adventure. For this week, pretty much gonna be a little repeat of last week. Same exact thing, just two things are different. One, the boys are out of town, and two, instead of hiking up the mountain, what a blessing, nightboarding actually opened the following Friday, right after we went boarding. So, that means no hiking, lift riding. I'm gonna go get myself a headlamp tomorrow before I head out. Gonna do a little bit of night cruising out there. Go hit some unlit trails. That'll be a fun one. So I'm gonna have a lot more snowboarding in this one than I did the last. Anyways, I'm gonna wax this baby girl, and I'm sure we're gonna see you guys when she's done. Ciao, dude. Let's get to waxing. Like that, board is waxed, ready to hit the slopes tomorrow. That being said, we'll see you guys on the road. A quick little update before hitting the road tomorrow. You know it's gonna be a good day of freaking shredding when it goes from zero snow at all to bada bing, bada boom. Look at this. As you can tell, it's definitely gonna be a damn good day of riding. Because if we're getting hit down here, then it's definitely getting hit up in the mountains. All right, people, good morning, good morning. It is the day we are doing another night trip up to the mountain to go do some night skiing. So, woke up with a little surprise, and that little surprise is a whole bunch of snow, folks. A whole bunch of snow. You know what that means. It's caked up like this. A good day on the mountain. We'll see you guys, I'm sure, here a little later when we're hopping in the van, making our way up to the mountain. All right, folks, here we are, round two. It is 3:30. Stop by Walmart before I go, grab a few things. Mountain Red Total Alike. I think it was like 10 inches just overnight. So that's some good news. Fans loaded up, bunch of snow. Gosh, it's got all on my face. All right, folks, we are gonna see you guys on the road. The road to the mountain, and it is drastically a lot snowier already. This is sick. Alright, see about nightboard. Not even halfway up. We still got a fat minute to go. Oh my God. Ah. Oh, it's so much windier. than I anticipated. Goodness. Oh, there we go, folks. It is a snowy bastard tonight. This is gnarly. Gonna go shred some freaking nightboarding. Bada bing, bada. Here we are. Look at that. Look at that. That's called a blizzardy night. Ooh. It is straight up blizzard. Got tornadoes and shit. Good 180. Look at that. Butter, butter, swap, swap, but all I know is this is an insane night so far. The last rock open night. I say that was a job well done. A couple of spinning around, spinning around. Ooh. Type shit, guys. Well, with that being said, that was a stellar night sesh. Wait, what an adventure. It is 9:25. So you guys can see that was a very interesting night run. A little blizzardy, but as of right now, setting up the wood stove, gonna get this bad girl lit up. And then after that, time for some shots of 1800 and some dinner. Nothing better on a hard, cold night. Look at it, freezing up here. Alright, dinner is done. Everything is cleaned up. For the most part, it's gonna be another evening of relaxing and chilling. The weather outside is delightful. That is for sure. Thank goodness for my little stove. Chill, relax, watch some movies. to pass out. We will see you guys in the morning. Get ready to shred the slopes. Good morning, good morning. Gosh, the weather has not improved at all. 8:30 in the morning. Gonna cook up a quick breakfast, probably just have some cereal. Go shred. Go shred up in this lovely weather. It's gonna be a good day. See you on the lift. Anyways, we got half days expecting it to be like half day, but their half day doesn't start until 12:30. Had to buy full day passes to ride for a half day, but you live and you learn, and it's okay, because it's still worth it. The snow is gnarly. See you at the top. We go find the Wicked Witch of the North. Freaking marshmallow covered trees. Covered in marshmallow. Somebody just took a bunch of powdered sugar and sprinkled. Pop up, come on, come on, come on, woo! Yeah, buddy, phenomenal. It's a beautiful life to live. Get the honor to come up here in the mountain. It's a blessing right here. This is a damn blessing. If you don't know what it is, get out to the mountain. Don't go snowboard, go sled, go hike, go camp. This shit right here, nature is a God-given gift made to help everybody through everything. Even when you fall when talking on the vlog. Alright, let's get after it. Let's get shredded. Let's get shredded. Ooh. Oh, it's too late. I'm committed. Another crazy solid day. We are on the road heading out of here. Thank you, Pommy. Hey folks, so there you have it, another solid frickin' sesh at the local mountain Pommy. So I'm sure I will see you guys here at Rundage, Tamarack, Utah, somewhere over there. So I don't know what that was. Until next time.